Transform your life with Schedule Success. Welcome to Schedule Success. This is the ultimate destination for anyone ready to improve their life step by step. Life can feel chaotic, but with the right tools and strategies, you can take control. You can achieve your goals. Whether you're building better habits, managing your time, or staying motivated, we're here to help. Schedule Success guides you every step of the way. Each visit provides actionable advice. This advice brings clarity, balance, and growth to your life. Why choose Schedule Success? Schedule Success isn't just a website. It's a life-changing resource designed to help you succeed. The site is packed with practical advice. You'll find proven strategies tailored to your needs. Everyday challenges like procrastination and stress management are tackled here. You'll also get tips for goal setting. What makes Schedule Success unique is its simplicity. There's no overwhelming jargon, just clear, actionable steps. From creating a morning routine to mastering your weekly schedule, we help you focus. Each section is easy to navigate. You'll find advice on balancing work and life, financial planning, and long-term goals. Small, meaningful steps every day add up to big changes. Schedule Success empowers you to take them. Personal growth. Take control of your mindset, habits, and motivation. Schedule Success offers practical ways to boost self-improvement, build confidence, strengthen discipline, set achievable goals. Each tip helps you turn challenges into opportunities. Actionable tips to improve your life. 1. Master your morning routine. Start your day with purpose. Schedule Success provides tips for a simple, effective morning routine. Wake up 15 minutes earlier to plan your day. Use quiet time to practice gratitude or prioritize tasks. A productive morning sets the tone for a successful day. 2. Use time blocks to stay focused. Time blocking divides your day into chunks for specific tasks. Schedule Success offers templates and examples to help. Block out time for work, exercise, and relaxation. Stick to your plan. You'll accomplish more and still have time to unwind. 3. Build habits that stick. Build lasting habits with step-by-step guides. Start small. Use habit stacking. Pair a new habit with an existing one. For example, practice gratitude while brushing your teeth. Printable trackers on Schedule Success help you measure progress. Small efforts lead to big results. 4. Manage stress like a pro. Stress can be overwhelming, but it's manageable. Learn quick techniques like deep breathing and journaling. Organize your environment to reduce anxiety. Declutter your workspace. Schedule downtime. Small changes can make a big difference. Branding and networking. Want to stand out? Schedule Success shares advice on personal branding. Craft your identity. Build loyalty. Tell your unique story. Learn networking tips. Build meaningful professional relationships. Find mentors and create connections that last a lifetime. 5. Save time and money. Efficiency isn't just about time, it's about resources too. Schedule Success provides budgeting tools and tips. Learn to set a budget, find deals, and avoid overspending. Practical advice like meal planning and free resources will save money while achieving your goals. Career development? Ready for the next career step? Schedule Success can help. Refine your skills. Build a winning resume. Ace interviews. Learn strategies to manage finances and plan long-term success. Build confidence to achieve your professional dreams. How it works. The magic of Schedule Success lies in simplicity. Complex tasks are broken into manageable steps. Each tip is practical, actionable, and easy to fit into a busy life. Progress over perfection is the key. Start with just 10 minutes a day. Write your goals. Organize your schedule. Practice mindfulness. Small steps compound into meaningful changes over time. Take the first step today. The best time to improve your life is now. Visit Schedule Success to explore resources that help you build a better future. Download tools. Read motivational articles. Dive in without feeling overwhelmed. Why wait? Begin your journey to a balanced, productive, and joyful life. Every visit to Schedule Success brings you closer to your goals. For more information about Schedule Success by Pavlos Mavromatis, please visit pablitagreco.com/schedule-success-pavlos/pablitagreco.com/schedule-success-pavlos. Find Schedule Success with Pavlos. Email pavlos@pablitagreco.com. Text +1 678 9298 689.